Hi friends, let's sort the colors together. We'll use this fun tool to add the pom-poms to the matching cups. Let's start with the color white. There are 3 pom-poms for each color. Let's find and count the white pom-poms. 1, 2, 3. We found all 3. Now let's wave our magic wand and see what happens. Oh look! Our white pom-poms are now a white airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky. Have you ever been in an airplane? Let's do the color red next. 1, 2, 3. We found them. Well done. Let's see what happens. We have a red fire truck. Fire trucks help firefighters fight fires. This fire truck has a ladder on it. Next is the color blue. 1, 2, 3. 3 blue pom-poms. Good job! I wonder what this will be. It's a blue teddy bear. So cute! Teddy bears are soft and cuddly. Do you have a favorite teddy bear? The color pink is next. 1, 2, 3. 3 pink pom-poms. Nice work! Now for some magic. Oh look, a pink pig. Pigs live on farms. They love to play in the mud. The color green is next. 1, 2, 3. 3 green pom-poms. Great job! I wonder what this will turn into. A green frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs use their long, sticky tongues to catch bugs. The color purple is next. 1, 2, 3. 3 purple pom-poms. Well done. I can't wait to see what this will be. It's a purple fish. Fish use gills to breathe underwater. The color orange is next. 1, 2, 3. 3 orange pom-poms. Let's see what we'll get. It's another fish, an orange fish. Fish swim by moving their tails side to side. The next color is light blue. 1, 2, 3. 3 light blue pom-poms. Let's see what we'll get. It's a light blue whale. This whale has a smiling face. Whales live in the ocean. The color yellow is next. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow pom-poms. Let's see what we'll get. A yellow school bus. A school bus takes kids to and from school. Have you ever been in a school bus? The next color is brown. 1, 2, 3. 3 brown pom-poms. Now for our magic wand. It's a brown squirrel, and it has a brown acorn. Look at its bushy tail. The next color is black. 1, 2, 3. 3 black pom-poms. I wonder what this will be. It's a black mama chicken with its baby. So cute. The next color is light purple. 1, 2, 3. 3 light purple pom-poms. Ooh, what will this be? It's a light purple dinosaur. Look, this is a squishy dinosaur toy. Do you like dinosaurs? That was so much fun! Let's do it again.